This tutorial is for the linkage arm drawing sheet. I'm going to go to New File, choose RH Drawing Sheet Template, and Create. Go to part name, all caps for this once again. So we go to Base at the top. Select the file we want. Linkage arm. Click OK. This is the front view. So we'll place the front view. Place the top view. Isometric. And side view. Click OK. Go ahead and shade in. So right click and go to Edit View. Click the third button here for shade. And now we're going to annotate and apply dimensions. The dimensions they gave us were from center point to center point of the holes. So we'll use that as a dimension for recreating the part. We also need this, but I don't like 0.19. I'm going to change that precision here to 4 decimal places. That's the number we typed in. That's what we want. And because it's 2 of them, and I believe, let's look back at the diagram. Yes, they had the word TYP, or they had typical written on here as well. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to type in all caps, TYP, meaning typical. And that covers both sides. And now we want to put a hole note for this hole here. Once again, I want to change the tolerance because that was actually 0.125. Hit escape and then double click on it. Precision and tolerance. Show all parameters. Let's see. Uncheck the global. And we'll use 3. Okay. That's what we want to see. 0.128 is going to be different from 0.125, and so it's important to show the full measurement here. And that was 2. So we don't have to label both of them. They're going to be the same. It's a mirror image. And that may be all we need for that. Now we need the extrusion thickness here. Once again, let's change the tolerance to get us that 3rd decimal place. And then we don't really need the height because the height is going to be this diameter. The other dimension that I left off was going to be the thickness here. So we do have a thickness of 0.25, and you can place it here. That's fine. But we also need to make sure we understand this is centered. So I'm going to take the top line to the center point here. This one I will need to change the tolerance on to give me that 3rd decimal place. And that's it for the drawing sheet. So now you want to save. And when you go into Save As, you should have the train linkage arm. Replace it, that's fine. And then you want to go to File, Export, PDF. And if you already have one, replace it. And the PDF is what will be uploaded to Canvas.